So a lot of you keep asking me why I'm not covering this, why I'm not covering that. Look, I've been trying to tell you for months. I am already on top of it all. I have feeds in this Discord that's free to the public to use. I see everything coming in. I see it. And the reason I'm not covering the fire situation is because it's a distraction, just like everything else. Just like everything else. All of this shit here, I watch it come in, I just sit back, look at Wall Street Bets, I look at Reddit stocks, Loopring, AMC stock, it doesn't matter. It's all the same. I'm not covering this shit because it's not relevant. I'm covering relevant shit. I told you I was only going to cover things if they were relevant. There's nothing relevant to cover other than the areas that no one's looking into. So I've been trying to tell you that too. So, again, I try to do this because I legitimately would like to get as much people as I can to understand what's going on in reality. But I get it. It's hard to dissect when there's multiple people. You don't know me. You don't know them. You have to go off of our word. But I can tell you one thing. I've put the work in, and they're just now seeing the fact that they need to start doing that. So they're, again, way behind, and that's not to brag, I'm just saying that's just the reality situation. It is what it is. What you're looking at here is our call and put logic. Call, buy time was right here. Put buy time was right here. What happened? What happened? They gapped, right? So obviously you would want to get in some puts after gap up, get into puts after gap down. That's beyond what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is there's stuff going on in the market right now that has profit written all over it, and no one is looking. No one. You know why? Because they're all buying this shit on a daily basis out of every avenue you could imagine. You have it on Reddit, you have it on Twitter, you have it on Facebook, you have it on Instagram, you have it on TikTok. It's everywhere. You know where it isn't? This Discord. Because it comes into us via feeds. We're looking down on the narrative being created in real time, and it's clear as day when you see it happen. So the reason why I haven't covered it is because there's nothing to talk about. All they're doing is they're continuing to get you to take your eyes off of the real prize money that's just sitting there about to be moved in a historic fashion that will never happen again. So that is why I've been so urgently trying to get you in to what we're doing, because no one is fucking looking, and the narrative is heavy, the sentiment is negative, the prices are cheap, and nobody is fucking looking because they're all looking at the wrong places. And that's the difference. That's what I am not doing anymore. That's it. So that's the answer. Nothing personal. There's nothing to talk about. So if you want to actually talk about something relevant, there's plenty of discussions happening right now in the Discord you can come to and check those out. Do you have to do that? No. I'm just inviting you. It's free of charge. There's no cost unless you want to be a member. That's a different story. But for the general person, I think you would benefit being here more so than on Reddit. Because again, if we're still chasing fires, we're not looking where we need to be looking. And there's a lot of money just sitting there waiting to be taken. And really, if it's up to you. I mean, like I said all year, it's up to you to believe it or not. I have the evidence, I have the proof, I have the work behind this theory. And I mean, I really don't care what people think. It is what it is. So make your choices, I'll make mine, and we'll see what happens in about 6 months from now. But that's basically my answer. So I'm not going to participate in the, oh my god, this shit happened news, because that's, again, a distraction. So have a good evening.